What's going on? Back again. How you doing? Welcome in. In today's video, we're going to be talking about ways to make money on TikTok in 2025. I know this will be an interesting video. I know a lot of people will want to hear about it, and I just want to tell my experience of me being on TikTok and being a creator and how I made money. So if you guys are new to this channel, consider like this video or subscribing, y'all. So I want to talk about TikTok. TikTok's been around for a while. It's good for creators to be creative and, express some type of talents, whether if it's dancing, musical, or funny, any type of content like that. It's good to start a TikTok account because you can express yourself and you can engage with people and, have a lot of fun. So the requirements, you need to have certain amount of requirements to meet milestones for you to, start making money. And one of them, I think you need maybe 500 followers just to go live, if I'm not sure, but I've seen a lot of people that went live under 500. So once you unlock the live stream, you can start get a camera phone, use your phone, get one of these, and you just pretty much cut the camera on and you just go live. Now when you get in the live thing, they're going to be called live battles, y'all. If anybody on TikTok, you guys know what I'm talking about. You go to invite and there's other people around the world and they're in the battle. So in the battle, you're going to understand that it's a battle, right? So it's very competitive. You want to win and you just want to show off your talents. Now the people that are, how do you win is the people that are viewing your account they can either tap the screen or they can actually send a TikTok coin, y'all. So a TikTok coin is basically something you receive from TikTok, and you could have money on it, and then it loads up to eventually a PayPal, and you can get money. It's PayPal sent to your direct deposit, and that's one of the ways you can make money on TikTok. It's definitely good for if you want to have a side income or make it a full-time. It all depends on you, how hard you really want to grind. How hard you want to put in the work to really just grow your account. Everything, it takes a lot of work. Another way you can make money is, of course, somebody can send you gifts, but they can send gifts in the videos that you create. If you're creating videos on TikTok, somebody can send a gift on there, and that's another side income. There's also another way where you can actually do a brand partnership. So it's like a creative marketplace where brands are looking for other creators like you to market their product like that, and you can make big amount depending on how big your account is. You can make a lot of money just off that. So there's so many ways to make money on TikTok. So I mean, 2025, y'all, what are you guys doing? TikTok is where it's at right now. Plus, on top of that, there's other ways you can make money, and that's of course you can have TikTok shop. You can actually sell products on there. And I run a fashion brand myself, where we sell our products on TikTok and stuff like that. So it's good for small business owners like myself or you or whatever. If you really like to start a business, TikTok shop is definitely a good thing. You can also be an affiliate as well. You don't have to be a business owner, but you could be an affiliate and you could promote other products and make a commission. So it's endless things to really make money on TikTok, especially in 2025. So, I have been on there for about roughly 3 years, and I just started live streaming. So definitely helping a lot with a little side income. So if anybody that got TikTok, if y'all want to share your experiences, what is it like on TikTok, put it in the comment below. And if anybody is new to this channel and just really talking about how to make money and TikTok and business stuff, let's talk about it in the comment section. And if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.